2 minutes. Whoa. Bouncy ball. 10 out of 10. 10.
Well, charm bracelets. I finished with my bracelets.
Whoa, scratch art? This looks really fun. I finished! I'd give it 5 out of 5 and I'd definitely tell my friends.
Make your own wooden jewelry basket. We're going to do some nice green tulips. I would give it 9 out of 10. I'm going to do this book. Ooh, I finished 9.
Ceramic bowl. 7 out of 10.
Bangles.
We made bangles. 7 out of 10.
8 out of 10. This was my favorite one. I made it. The nail art kit.
Seven. Look what I made earlier. Glue the pieces together and then it'll look like this. It even rolls.
10 out of 10.